Christmas is so near and you wanna write special song for your special one but you cannot figure out what song would be perfect, then now you can use ChatGPT for it. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Create Log and Delete. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to write unique Christmas song using ChatGPT. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open any of the browser. Here I'm gonna open Google Chrome. Now search for the chat.openai.com. Now this kind of page will appear. You can log in or sign up. If you haven't created the account, then you can sign up. As I have already created the account, I'm gonna log in. Now here you have to put your email address and then password and then tap on continue. After you log in, this kind of page will appear. At the bottom you can see this search bar. You have to type there, write a unique Christmas song, and then click on this arrow. You can see that it started writing a song. It has written a whole song. In this way, you can easily use ChatGPT for writing a unique Christmas song for your special ones. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos. Thank you.